Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Abbasi here. Today we will discuss the item analysis of the journal science paper of the last 4 years. Today we will discuss the main topics which are are in these 4 years from 2016 to 2020. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now these are the learning objectives of the today's topic. This is very important points to remember, that general science and ability paper, the total 100 marks are there. There are two parts. Part 1 is MCQs and 20 marks, and the time is for this section, that is 30 minutes. Then the part 2, that is the theoretical, and total marks are 80 and time is 2.5 hours. Now there are two sections. Section A, that will be general science, which we will discuss in detail. The marks will be total 40. Then the section B, that is general ability, and the total marks are 40. Now the overall total marks of this paper are 100 marks. 40 for section 1, section A, 40 for section B, and 20 for MCQs portion. So that is 100 marks. Total time will be 3 hours. Now very important note is that attempt only 4 questions from part 2, that is theoretical part, by selecting 2 questions from each section. From section A you will select any 2, and from section B you will also select any 2 questions. Now this was the about paper pattern. Now we are moving towards our today's very important topic. First of all, what is the importance of item analysis and of the last 4 years? Item analysis is very important to understand the psyche of the examiner. It highlights the clear picture of the paper. It tells us about the paper, that which topics are very important, which are repeated and which are coming repeatedly. Then it helps us to identify which are important topics, how many times the topics are repeated by the examiner, and what is the weightage of the particular topic. Finally, you can predict the topics for the upcoming papers in future, and you will become a high achiever in the examination. So that is the reason this item analysis is very important, and these are the important points which I have told you that are very important. Now we are moving towards the item analysis of the last 5 years. Item analysis of the 2016 means which topics are coming in the paper. Now the topic is clean development, artificial intelligence, fiber optics, global positioning system. Now on these topics, when you go through the question paper of the 2016, you will find the questions related to these topics. I have gone through these 5 years, then I have jotted down these topics: vaccine and DNA, then the disease, that is dengue, and we will also there is a question related to liver, and then cholesterol, remote sensing techniques, and hydrological cycle. These are some topics of the 2016 paper. And tsunami, earthquake, which is also very important, which is repeated again and again. Richter scale, shape of the water by molecular orbital theory, gamma rays, properties of gamma rays. This topic is related to the chemistry, radioactivity, artificial radioactivity, and natural radioactivity. Then there will be 3 rays will be produced, like gamma rays, alpha rays, gamma rays, and beta rays. So we will discuss these topics also in upcoming videos. Preservatives and antioxidants, in food, greenhouse effect and global warming. This is also very important topic. This is, you will also observe that this is repeated again and again. Then this was the question, item analysis of the 2016. Now 2017, environmental pollution, water logging in Pakistan, ozone depletion, ozone layer, then acid rain also. This is also one of the very important topic. Then causes of the heart attack, drug addiction and drug abuse, human air and structure and function. Then the vitamin, one of the very important topic. Then there is also a disease that is Mergi. Differentiate between solar and lunar eclipse. This is one of the very important topic which we will discuss in the next video. This is also very important topic which is repeated. Then rotation and revolution of the earth, AC and DC current, RAM and ROM. These are computer IT related terminologies. Buses in computer, basic computer block, types of computer. This is the item analysis of the 2017. Now we are moving towards the 2018, methods for the age of the universe. Look at here, lunar eclipse, then dark energy and dark matter, black hole, polio causes and how you can take measures and how you can prevent from this disease, biofuel. This is also very important. Carbohydrates classes and the importance of carbohydrates in our food, how we can digest these carbohydrates. This is also one of the very important topic which we have to discuss. Then this is again very important topic, cell structure. And in cell structure we will discuss the plant cell, animal cell, differentiate between plant cell and animal cell, what are the organelles present in the plant cell and animal cell. This is also one of the very important topic. Acid rain, as I have already told you, acid rain and ozone layer depletion, these are also very important topic. Then water pollution. Then item analysis of the 2018, smog, tsunami and tidal waves, hardware, optical fiber, electromagnetic radiations, balanced diet, artificial intelligence and how it is helpful for the humanity. This is also one of the very important topic, repeated again and again, artificial intelligence, which we will discuss. Then 2019, deficiency of the vitamins, what are the deficiencies and then what are the diseases caused by the which deficiency of which vitamin. Then cardiovascular disease, this is also important. Chemical fertilizer, their composition, their types and their function. Increased level of CO2 in atmosphere and what are the we can say the effects of the increase in CO2 in atmosphere. Differentiate, this is also one of the very important and repeated again and again. Differentiate between renewable energy resources and non-renewable energy resources. Those resources which can be used again and again, they are called renewable energy resources, and those resources which are used only once, they are called as non-renewable energy resources. Then optical fiber, its importance, this is also a very important topic. Hurricane and cyclones, effects, their effects. Vaccine and antibiotics, importance of forest and biotechnology. Mammals, then the solar system, sun and then solar system. Look at this one, ozone depletion and ozone layer. This is one of the very important repeated topic. Types of the network, IT related topics. Indiscriminate or casual use of antibiotics, this is related to the chemistry. Chemical bonding, types and what is the reason of the chemical bond, why atoms form the chemical bond, what are the different types of the chemical bonding. This we will also discuss. Now the last but not the least, item analysis of the 2020. Now look at the main topics: avalanche types, dangerous type, which is the dangerous type we have to discuss, then global wind, pressure and pattern, earthquake. This is also important topic. Differentiate, look at here again, it is repeated. Differentiate between energy resources, renewable and non-renewable energy resources, 2019 and 2020. Also geothermal energy, hydroelectricity, what are pesticide and types of pesticide. Look at here, carbohydrates, again it is repeated. Carbohydrates, then the classes, methods for the food preservation, fiber optics, it is again repeated. Uses, advantages and disadvantages, atmosphere and the segments of the atmosphere, this is also the repeated topic. Organic particulate enters into atmosphere, natural and artificial radioactivity, fossil fuels, and then hepatitis types, prevention and measures. Then the next topic is that differentiate between middle latitude cyclone and tornadoes, open system interconnections, OSI layers, global positioning system, GPS, and what is the working of the GPS. These are the questions. This is basically the item analysis of the paper 2020. Now at the end we can conclude our today's lesson, today's topic, that what are the most important and repeated topics when we go through these 5 years papers. Now look at here, differentiate between solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, then differentiate between renewable energy resources and non-renewable energy resources, earthquake, then Richter scale, acid rain, ozone depletion, global warming, greenhouse effect and greenhouse gases, optical fibers and the importance of optical fiber, cell structure, plant cell and animal cell, very important topic. Then carbohydrates and vitamins, vaccine and antibiotics, atmosphere and what are the segments of the atmosphere. Then at the end we will discuss these diseases like dengue and polio, hepatitis, COVID-19 is very important. This might will come in in upcoming year. This is, I think this will be very important and current issue, so this is very important. Cardiovascular diseases. So these are the most repeated topics. As a result, when we go through the item analysis of the last 5 years papers, then we came to know that these are the most important topics and repeated topics. Now in the next lecture or next class we will discuss one of these topics in detail. I hope you understood and find this video very helpful. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.